Miguel, Bugoy, and Laarni.
At para i-announce ang ating third star dreamer, narito ang Head Customer Marketing Group, ABS-CBN Studio 23 Managing Director, Mr. March Ventosa. Good evening, sir.
At para iabot ang official ranking ng top 3, narito ang representative from SGV and Company, Ms. Rosana Fajardo. Now to be given by Ms. Zoray Lipayon, a Bio Marketing Officer, Sony Philippines. Meron pong isang Hi-Fi Kicks mini component, a Vio laptop, and Bravia LCD TV from Sony. To be given by Ms. Dayan Choco, Finance Officer, an appliance showcase from Fuji Denso. And we also have the check for 300,000 pesos from ABS-CBN.
Mr. March, it's about time para alamin ang buong bayan kung sino nga ba ang ating third star dreamer.
Okay. With a total percentage votes of 13.69%, garnering 253,412 text votes, congratulations! You are the Pinoy Dream Academy Season 2 Third Star Dreamer, Miguel Mendoza.
Mga kapamilya, our third star dreamer, Miguel Mendoza.
I am not afraid of the mystery of tomorrow. I have found the faith deep within. There's a promise I have made, and every dream I'm gonna follow. Here's another chance, or as the heaven. Oh yeah, yeah, I can feel it right here in my heart, in my heart. Love is on the way, on wings of angels. I know it's true. I feel it coming too. Love is all the way. Time turning the pages. I don't know when, but love will find me again. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I know deep down in my heart, love is on the way. On wings of angels, I know it's true. I feel it coming too. Love is on the way. Time turning the pages. I don't know when, but love will find me again. Don't have to wait. My dream has found me again.
Our third star dreamer, Miguel.
Miguel, nandito ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay, Mr. Miguel Jr. and Miss Mylene Mendoza. Congratulations. And of course, tanggapin mo ngayon ang mga rewards for being a good scholar inside the Academy. Congratulations, Miguel.
Miguel, you made it to the top 3. Anong mensahe mo sa lahat ng bumoto at sumuporta sa iyo?
Siyempre, maraming salamat sa tiwala na binigay nyo. So, pagbubutihin ko po yung binigay sa aking oportunidad. Siyempre, patuloy nyo po kaming suportahan. Hindi lang ako, pati lahat po. Yung buong scholars po. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Miguel. Dalawang scholars na lang ang naiiwan pero isang much coveted title na lang ang kanilang pinaglalaban. Ang susunod na Grand Star Dreamer sa pagbabalik ng
Pinoy Dream Academy Season 2.